Kindly subscribe to Focus Academic Solution YouTube channel.
Now, how will I know the degree of this diagram? If you place your potato on this, you should get exact 60 degrees. So that shows us that our A is what? 60. Now look at it. And make sure this point of this potato is touching the tip of the triangle. Do you see now? So we have what? 60. That means the A part of this is what? Is 60 degrees. So the next thing I'm going to do, you have to label the outline. A, B, and what? C. Now we have our what? A, B, and A, C, and B, C. Now on your line A, B, you have to pick your normal. On the line what? A, B, you do what? You pick your normal. You can pick normal at any point from here. So you now take a protractor to make sure is what? Is 90. You can look at it here. So you make sure it's exact what? 90 degree from this side. So the normal, so you have to trade it out. If I'm having 90, so you now use your ruler to what? To bring out the outline of the normal. Can you see that? Alright. We want to get 45 degrees from our normal. Make sure you place it back on what? 90 degrees. So if you are counting, you don't count like this, you count from here to mean 90. So if this place is what? Is 90 degrees. So here should be what? 10, 20, 30, 40. So 45 should be what? Somewhere here. You say that. So if I'm having 25 degrees here, you have to trade it out to meet the normal. To meet the normal. To meet the normal. So this is what? Angle of what? Incidence. Angle of what? Incidence. Okay. On the angle of incidence now, I will place two pins to get what? Pin 1 and pin 2. You understand that? You can put what? The first pin here. The second pin here. So you now place your prism. Make sure the prism is well placed on the diagram so you can have accurate what? Reflection of the emergence ray. After putting the pin on line AB, so we have to get what? The emergence ray looking towards side AC. You can see the pin through the prism. That is, it should be parallel to what you are having on your incident ray. Alright, you can see the pin parallel to the reflection of the incident ray on the what? The line AC. You can look at the prism, so we are having the emergence ray rather, pardon me, on what? The line AC. So the next thing I'm going to do now to trace out the emergence pin from the what? From the prism. So after we got in the two types, we have to what? To make sure they are both. You put the pencil on them to be able to trace them out. So now use your ruler to join the two pins together like this. To join the two pins together. Alright. So these are what? Line of what? Emergence. Through that, you now use your protractor to get the normal. To get the normal. The normal for the what? That side as well. See, this is angle 90. Angle 90. Use your ruler to trade it out to get the normal for the what? Pin. So we can label now. This should be our what? Pin 1, P2, P3, and what? P4. Alright, this is what? Label this as what? E. And this is our I. The next thing we are going to do is this. We are going to join. Make sure the normal are joining together. Make sure the normal are joining together. Make sure the normal are joining together. Can you see that? And you trace up the incident ray you trace up the incident ray, and you trace backward the emergence ray as well to meet. So this can give us our angle of deviation. So from this now we've gotten our what? Incident ray, incident angle, our emergence angle, our what? Angle of deviation. The next thing to get the record of these three what? Angles. Now I've gotten my 4 pins for what? P1, P2, P3, P4. The next thing to use my protractor to get what? The angle for the incident, emergence ray, and what? The deviation ray. Now look at what I'm doing like this. Now you place your protractor to be exactly what? Angle 90. You can see this angle 90 here. You count downward to where you're having what, your what? Emergence what? Ray. You can see from here this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I'm having exactly as well 55 to 56. That's the angle for my what? Emergence. Same thing to my what? Deviation angle. So you place it to be exactly on what? Angle 90. So I'm having, if you count this way, the deviation angle stops. So I'll be having it to what? That is giving me what? 29 degrees. So I've gotten my 3 angles. Don't forget my incident is gotten from what? 45 degrees. And my what? Emergence angle is what? Is exactly what? 55. And my deviation is what? 29. This is exactly what we are looking for to solve what? A triangular prism.